Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to toggle at widget. So let's get started. So to toggle at your glance widget or widget, have to follow this easy step. So here we can see, here I have only one widget. So if you want to have more widget, okay, just press and hold to the here screen, then go to here at widget option. You can select your widgets that you want to add or do. So for example, I will do for a device care. Just press and hold, paste it here, and as you can see, I can clean it from here as well, data. Okay, and if you press it again, then you can just go from here and you can see for the Chrome accounts, and you can see drive also you can do from whatever you can add from here. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.